Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Kum shibanta jongga jingrakhi ya ga jubilee ksiar jongga jilla Meghalaya kabala kanjok menta Shakarta kabala Sunpostnem uba John F. Kharshiïng bat uba bodhi Saiñkupar Rani kila lumtup ya ki parjing tip ki bobnia hakabaya dei bat kalentiya jongki kli nong sansyar Khasi bat ka jinyai lenti jongki hima bat ki elaka kila penmi ya ka wei ka kot kabala ai kerteng. The Khasi State, a brief historical timeline 1771 to 2017. Yagani ka kot la pelait paj ba hagasngi palai ka arpusan tarik unailar arhajar arpuar daga principal jongga Shaphang College ka Dr. E. Kharkongor but ka head of department Khasi jongga Shaphang College ka kong A. Nongbri hagajingalang ka balalong ha conference hall jongga Shaphang College hagabala sakilang dakibala shakot ngobha.
And with the permission from our dearest principal, who always encourages us and who inspires us that anything we are doing, it is for the welfare of the society at large and also for our generation. I hope that this book, which will be released today, has insights and meaningful because it is a historical facts. Thank you, Bajon. In this program, which is so meaningful, organized in collaboration with the Khasi department of the college, to release the book, The Khasi States, a brief historical timeline, 1771 to 2017. Yes, I got a glimpse of the book yesterday, a peek, and I was overwhelmed. The information, the research that has gone into the book, I salute to the authors. And I'm very glad also to know that this is a continuity of an earlier book written by the author, The Federation of Khasi States, History, Epistemology and Politics. Now this book which is released today, The Khasi States, a historical timeline, 1771 to 2017, covers a period of more than 100 years. It encapsulates the history, the events relating to our Khasi society. This is what is so amazing. Maybe I was more ignorant in all these aspects, concentrating on the subject that I have taken and impressed and I taught. This is an amazing book by John Kharshiïng, because when we talk, the general notion of our Khasi in our Khasi society is that we lack documentation. When we were young, we always hear that it's the Khasis, they lost their documents, and we can envision the event that happened when two people were swimming. One a non-Khasi, he had the document tied to his head, and the Khasi eating, putting the document in his mouth, and he swallowed it. Maybe they were fleeing from the floods. Maybe I used to think Bangladesh. So I don't know. So this is a very general notion amongst many of us in the society, that we don't know much. We don't have any documents, and it was left with Thomas Jones to bring the alphabet, and that we lack so many things that will highlight, that will make things clear about our Khasi society. And even now, we live in an era of information technology. We have advanced so much in academics. We have the NEHU, we have Khasi departments, we have so many things academically also. But there is still so much of loopholes that exists. And it seems we are ignorant on so many things that really affect us as a society. So this book is very precious, I think. I am confident. Why? It documents events from 1771. That means it illustrates the history of the society. And you know what? History, it emphasizes, it illustrates, or it provides the basis for our identity. It is very, very important now. You know, when you know your history and now documented, we now understand a deeper meaning of our identity as a Khasi society. Based on what? Based on documents.
Was released in 2019, we put it out. And subsequently, I'm extremely grateful. I mean, I got pushed quite a bit by my family, notably my sons. Went after me to tell me that, with all this work that you're doing, why don't you put it into a book? A lot of people keep calling me, and a lot of students keep coming, a lot of, from a wide range of section of people, including governments. So, district council, government of India, and it helps them to understand the policy makers, be it at the center, at the state, given that all the challenges that we are debating right now. I think this book will, in a way, contribute to help them to figure out where we are. And last but not least, really, I'd like to once again thank Dr. A. Longri for all the help in putting up this program together.